Hello beautiful people, welcome to today's video on my channel. Today I'm here with this very subtle everyday look. It's something that I wear at home these days and I thought I should share with you guys. Last month was pretty heavy duty on my skin with a lot of makeup, so I thought that it's perfect time to give my skin some break and go with more light and neutral makeup. If you're wondering what I'm wearing and what it means is I'm actually wearing a hoodie that was sent to me by Farlo clothing. It is a clothing brand based out of Brampton, Canada, and they have some really amazing goodies out there. You should check out their website. I will link it down below. And what my hoodie is, it means what my hoodie means. ATQ stands for the airport code for Amritsar Airport. Amritsar is a city in Punjab in India, and that's where I am from. And these are the coordinates of the city. And again, here there's information. It says Amritsar, Punjab, India, farloclothing.co. And for our dear friend Harleen Dhaliwal, that's what it says, and that's me. And yeah, this hoodie is very close to my heart, especially right now when my brothers and sisters and everyone out there is protesting in Delhi. It makes me, when I wear something like this, it makes me feel that I am with them, I'm there. And somehow I'm participating in that protest with them. So it's very, very close to me, close to my heart. If you want to check out their website, please do so. They do have farmer protest clothing as well, and if you like, you can order from them. 100% of proceeds from that sale goes to Khalsa Aid, and then Khalsa Aid further uses it to help the farmers out in India. So yeah, I will link the information down below. And for this look, if you like what I look like, please continue watching. Alrighty guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys liked the video, and make sure you do check out the website for Farlo clothing as well. And if you like, please order some from them and help the cause. Yeah, that's about it. I will see you in my next video. Bye!